Massage your ears. Take a break and do these things on yourself. We don't massage our ears enough. And it is a way of increasing the fullness in our life, the joy in our life, and the years in our life. Go ahead, massage your ears. How many times do I have to remind my own self to massage my ears? Come on, kick back, breathe deeply, do the lobes. They correspond with your brain. The lobes of your brain, the lobes of your ears. Massage your whole ear. You'll find that there's places where it's sore. That's where you just need to hold more lightly and breathe more deeply. Explore it. There's over 150 acupressure points in each ear.